Hey guys,
Hi guys.
welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing this stupid beep. Today we're going to be doing a black peel mask, and I have a special guest. This little...
We're not lesbians.
This person. This is Haley. You guys might have seen her in my vlog. If not, then I'll post the link down below so you guys can watch it. But anyway, so yeah, we're going to be doing a black peel mask. So,
I need some chapstick.
Come on, just keep on watching. Tell them to keep watching.
Oh, keep watching.
Testing out this little guy. Just a cute little butthole.
The taco thing.
The taco thing. Let me get there. It is called Tako. I think it's probably Tako.
It's probably Tako, but taco's funnier.
Yeah, but it sounds like taco. It's spelled T-A-K-O.
Taco's funnier, so we're gonna call it taco.
Tako.
Taco. I'm gonna call it taco. Though.
Okay, so Tako pore.
Taco.
Black peel off pack. And the package, we don't have the packaging, but it's this little guy right here.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's expensive.
Well, it has 5 stars though, and you can purchase it at Ulta. It's $21. Okay, so it's saying that it's the how to use it. Okay, no, I'm just gonna read the details. The nourishing combination of marine planet extracts and mud conditions of Tony Moly, Tako, black peel off mask, backpack. Gosh, I cannot read this. Purifies skin while the wide-reaching, powerful suction extracts deeply embedded skin impurities over a larger surface area for wider pore care.
Yeah, she said.
That's a lot of stuff. Well, let's see.
And it says use a thin layer. Yeah, you gotta open it from the butt.
I can't be serious with you. Yeah, you gotta open it from the booty hole. I'm all compliments of the butthole lips.
You're like, yeah.
So what do we apply it with? Just our fingers?
Yeah, and this is a small layer. I tried a thick layer.
And it didn't work.
It's like rubber.
It doesn't count. She tried it before me, but she purchased it, so.
Yeah, I had to make sure it's right before I spend $1 billion on something.
I know. You should have seen her in Ulta trying to purchase this thing. Like, it literally took her, 30 minutes to decide to purchase it, and it's only $20. She's all only.
I'm like a cheap person. I like to buy stuff that isn't $1 billion, and I have a lot of money, but, I don't like spending it all on something.
Over here using all my stuff. You're so funny. Go to the internet.
I thought you wanted a timer.
No, I gotta go to the internet really quick. And how to use. Then, oh yeah, it says right here. After washing face, then apply leave back on your face. Blah, blah, blah. We already know that. And clear. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes for the pack to completely dry. Then gently remove pack starting from the bottom and working upward.
Yeah,
okay. Well, we're gonna set a timer and we'll be back in 15 minutes. Stay tuned. We're all like the octopus.
We're gonna taco and leave.
We'll talk to you later. Taco you later. Okay, guys, so we're back. We left it on for 10 minutes, right? 10, 12 minutes. So let's start peeling. Oh, yeah, you only have your nose to do. I have like all this to do. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Or
I'm on now. It's not gonna do
closer.
nothing because I already fucking did it. So. Oh, it always hurts right here.
I'm all way to ruin the video. I'm just kidding. I haven't done it, so who knows? Maybe it doesn't work for her, but it might work for me. But you never know. That's why I wanted to do it. Ow, motherfucker. Ow.
I told you. Oh, it hurts right here.
I feel like I should have applied a thicker layer because it's. Ah! Never mind. Ow.
Yeah.
Did it take anything off?
No.
You need to apply.
That's because I already did it.
I think it needs.
I did it like a day ago, so there's like literally
Ow.
nothing anymore.
It's not that bad. Oh.
I know it's not as strong as I want it to be, so don't buy it.
Yeah.
If you want it to rip your face off.
If you want to shave. Ow. I'm bald. Look how red it is. Oh, my poor skin.
It's like you're waxing your face.
Oh.
That made me my eyes water last time I did it. I was all, the poor eyeballs. Yeah, I did my whole face last time.
Oh.
You ripping it.
It's not working. Oh. Ow, it hurts.
Don't eat it. It's like a...
Ah.
You know, choking.
Oh.
You have to go up. You have to go up with it.
Ah. I know, but it won't go up anymore. Oh, my eyes. Ow.
Like it's like you got a little truck going on.
Oh god, I'm all.
If I were a boy, this is what I've been doing.
Oh, look at this, like lifting my nose up.
I told you, thin layer.
Ow.
No, I don't
Ooh.
really care for it. I want something that really rips your face off. So if you have any recommendations, make sure you tell me.
Ow, 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 ow.
Something that rips your
I don't know if
face
it's
off.
taking like blackheads out, but it's definitely taking my facial hair off.
It's
So, sorry about that. There was a little technical
call?
difficulty. Yeah, phone call. But anyways, back to the video where I left off.
Ripping your face off.
I know, right? It says to go start from the bottom and work your way up is basically what it's saying. I don't know if it's like falling apart though. It's not coming off evenly. I think that you should apply a thicker layer, not such a thin
It
layer.
says thin. And last
I
time I did
know.
it thick,
It
it
did
literally
nothing?
was like rubber. It didn't rip anything that was
That's
on your
weird.
nose. Yeah, it was weird.
Ah!
But I want something that rips my face off. So somebody tell me something that rips your face off.
Oh, I'm all the aftermath.
Want to get any?
I don't know. I'm looking. It did a little tiny bit.
You didn't have much to do with
It did a little. I'm not gonna show you this part because I don't think it did nothing for around here.
Feel your face even smoother.
It's a little bit smoother, but nothing crazy. Not very satisfied.
Yeah, see. No.
I wish it would have like took off more. Like
For
it did take off some.
$23? That's a bow.
I know, for that much money, it's not very good, I guess. But it did take off some stuff. Let me see if I can show you guys a little bit.
Like you see like one or two.
Like there's a few. It's not too bad though.
I want something that gets
Yeah.
in your pores and rips it out.
Yeah.
That's what I want, but I've not yet found it. So tell me if you have one.
Nope, I still have blackheads.
I do too.
Oh,
It pisses me off.
that was a fail. I definitely still have blackheads though, not gonna lie.
Yeah. And this
I mean, it cleaned out, for me, it cleaned out this area pretty well. Not too bad, actually. But, like, right here where I have really bad blackheads and right here.
I get them right here too.
Yeah,
Yeah, like, it literally did nothing for me, and it made me break out. Like, I don't break out ever. And, like,
this stuff made you break out?
Uh-huh.
It'd be nice to tell me that before we try
Yeah,
it.
we have different skin types though, so I doubt it'll work. We'll do that to you.
I doubt it will work. You're right. It didn't work. I'm just kidding.
No, it didn't fucking work, but
Oh, well.
yeah. The one time
When
I
she
just
cusses for, like, the 50th time. I'm just kidding. I want you to talk about it.
No.
Girl, I'll take it.
I bet I keep this in
I'm all like, it didn't work face-wise. I'm like, is it edible? Ew, you little pervert.
I haven't been done.
I'm all, you feels violated. But the packaging is super cute. Let me find it.
Yeah, you spent $20 for a fucking
I would
taco.
spend $20 for the packaging just to keep it on my desk. Just kidding.
Yeah, not me. I spent
I'm just
$23.
kidding.
$23 for the stupid thing, and it didn't rip my face off like I thought it would. I should have just bought
But
the $10 one. That would probably work.
I'm gonna buy one, or I'm probably gonna buy another one and see how it does. Like, I know that there's some on Amazon for like $12. I think it's like $12 or so, and I feel like they work.
Like all the ones on Instagram, everybody's showing whatever, or Facebook. It looks like it would really work.
Yeah, they look like they work. That's what I'm
ripping your
saying.
face off. But like, I bought this before I actually did the review for once, and wasted.
Yeah, you review everything. She reviews everything before she purchases anything, which is actually smart. But I'm kind of more like,
Yo,
see if I like it.
Yeah, no, I don't like spending a lot of money on stuff.
Yeah, she doesn't like spending money at all. If she can find it on eBay, then it ain't happening.
eBay is the way to go.
So anyway, I think we're gonna end the video there. I don't know. That was a fail.
Yeah.
But I'll definitely try out another black mask or whatever and
Don't buy it.
do
Don't
another
waste your
review
money.
for you guys. Just review at your own risk. We're just letting you know that it wasn't that great. It wasn't worth the hype, and everybody like raved about it. It has all kinds of stars. It literally has 5 stars, not like 4.5, not 4. It had 5 stars. Like, it works amazing. But
because it doesn't rip your face
yeah,
off,
for
and
us
everybody's like, oh, it's
personally-
painless. I'm all,
yeah, for us personally, it didn't work. So
I want
that's
it
a
to
big
rip
fail.
my face off. So
But yeah, if you guys know any black masks, black peel masks that actually work, let us know in the comment section below.
like, if it really hurt and make your eyes cry, that's what I want. I want to be crying.
She wants no skin left on her face, is what she's saying. Like, basically,
Like,
she's like, never mind about the freaking blackheads. Let's just peel it all off.
Like, I don't want to see no freckles left. Rip it off.
Like that SpongeBob meme where he takes off his face or whatever, and it's all freaking muscle and skin, or like no skin. He's all, oh yeah, that's gonna be you.
That's what I need.
But okay. Anyways, so thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like, then please like this video and subscribe. And until my next video, I will see you.